Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've got a rainbow of leftovers. I used these colours in my last pour and I've just added a blue to complete the set. I've got black here that I'm going to put on my base and I'm going to do a swipe. So let's get started. I thought I'd better go small because I don't have a huge amount of each of the colours left. But I was trying to work out how I could use it. So my plan is I'm going to swipe on a diagonal this way. I'm going to do one up there and one down here in the opposite direction. And I'm going to start with my dark colours, then my mid colours, then my light colours. And we'll see how it goes. But I'm not sure if I've got enough black here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it on and I'm going to sort of spread it out. So this is Oxide black. And I'm going to be swiping with white. I did see a bump in there somewhere. So just spreading this out. No, I saw something in here somewhere. Pop a few of the bubbles. Right, what I'm thinking, I'm going to put these three colours in the top, these three in the bottom, and I guess these three in the middle. Perfect. We're going to go puddles. So that's Prussian Phthalo Blue mixed with some Phthalo Blue. I might go the two dark colours and then the light colour. Got to keep some for the next row. Shall I pour it all first? Oh, sure, let's do it. The orange. I think I will do the middle swipe first. It's going to be the longest one. I'm going to use up the yellow. And let's go the light one as well. Alright, I know this looks a little bit odd at the moment. Let's get the swipe mix going. I'm going to do that colour first. So I've got two going from that way and this one's going the opposite way. It's not what I was supposed to do. It'll be fine though. I'm sure it will. Right, tip off some of my white. And here we go. That's the first swipe. I'm going to have to do this one. Oh, they're both getting close to going off the edge. Alright. Let's go the light one. Whoop. Okay. That's definitely going to go off the edge now. Let's get onto it. Lots of orange there. Probably not going to get to keep much of that, although it's quite pretty. A bit of purple. Put a bit of blue through. See if I can scrape a bit of this black out. Let's paint my corners black. Before we start stretching. Alright, I'm going to stretch it out. Not sure how much of this yellow I'm going to lose. Here we go. Alright, let's just check my edges. Whoop. Alright, do I want to stretch anymore now that I've got all the everything covered? I do like this blue here. I'm not so keen on the yellow and orange back there. Tempted to tip that right off. Don't like it. I'm not sure why that one didn't quite work, but I'm going to tip it off. Do I want to leave that little hint? to keep the blue, but I want to bring this down. It's always a trade-off. Yep. I've got to keep that little bit of yellow. Probably should have taken that off. This is looking actually really quite pretty. It's opened up a lot. I feel like I still need to take that right off. It just doesn't make sense anymore. Okay, I'll bring you in for the wet result. Okay, here is the dry result. I seem to have lost the wet result, so we're going straight into the dry. I've had a look at this on a few different angles, and I quite like it like this, but I'll show you the other angles. The orange down the bottom is not too bad, and that's all right as well. But I think the way I was looking at it initially, I don't like it that way. So that happens. The purple has got some really pretty shading through it, and the orange really pops. The white didn't quite sink through. It's sitting on top a lot, and some people like that and some people don't. Actually, you can let me know whether you prefer it where it sinks right through or whether you like to see the white. I'm curious. And yeah, that's about it for this one. Just using up the leftovers and making a little painting, having a play. So I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.